Have you ever pondered about the magic behind your favorite apps or how they function so seamlessly? It's like they have a mind of their own, isn't it? Well, in a way they do, thanks to a marvelous thing called programming. Programming, in the simplest of terms, is the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. It's like cooking a dish using a recipe. The recipe in this case is the program, and the chef is the computer. Imagine you're standing in a kitchen with all the ingredients and tools you need, but without a recipe. You wouldn't know how to combine the ingredients or in what order to do so. That's exactly how a computer feels without a program. It has all the components and power it needs, but without instructions, it's clueless. Now, these instructions aren't written in English or any other human language. They're written in languages that computers understand, known as programming languages. Some of these might sound familiar: Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript, to name a few. Each of these languages has a unique syntax or set of rules that defines how programs written in that language must be structured. It's similar to how different human languages have different grammar rules. But no matter the syntax, every programming language serves the same purpose: to turn human thoughts into commands a computer can execute. Now you might be wondering, why is programming so important? The answer lies in one word: problems. The world is full of problems, big and small, and programming is one of the most powerful tools we have to solve them. Imagine you're a business owner with hundreds of transactions every day. Tracking all these transactions manually would not only be time-consuming, but also prone to errors. But with a computer program, you can automate this task. The program can track each transaction, calculate the total, and even generate reports, all with a few clicks. That's the power of programming. Or consider the field of healthcare, where programming is used to create software that helps doctors diagnose diseases, monitor patient health, and even predict future health risks. It's also behind the apps that remind you to drink water, take your pills, or get some exercise. In conclusion, programming is the art of problem solving. It's about breaking down a problem into smaller parts, finding a solution for each part, and then combining these solutions to solve the original problem. It's a skill that requires creativity, logic, and persistence. So the next time you use an app, remember the magic of programming that powers it. And who knows, maybe one day you'll create some magic of your own.